asuntoskeittiö Vihtille.
Bought it in July 2022. We had Pursimiehenkatu, Botsmansgatan 23 Stekesei, but just one right in this building because too bad they were Amslift, had it later, built in 2019, and the number is 317397A. It stands for HIGHdraulic. Capacity is 4 persons, 140 grams. The code was impossible. One ride, that's why we can take one ride. This was actually, but they didn't have any elevators before. Or maybe they replaced them in 2019. Because this shaft must have been here before.
Yeah.
Probably. Maybe this was a replacement.
Yeah.
But I don't know when this was built originally. 1925 maybe, or I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I have to check that. That's the first floor.
It's maintained by Amslift.
Yeah. Strange.
Yeah.
I'll check when this was built. Originally. That's 1931. Originally.